Camp Kaski heads to WonderWorks in Branson, Missouri.
What are we gonna go do?
Upside down house.
Whoa, here we are. WonderWorks Museum? Oh, WonderWorks place.
We've been to Branson many times, but this was our first time checking out the upside down house. You can't miss it. It's right on the main strip, easy access to everything, and it was an awesome experience. We could have spent all day here. We only spent a few hours. Your ticket is good for all day, so definitely go in the morning, take a little break if you need to, and then you could come back later. It is a little bit pricey, but honestly the price was worth it with how much they have to do there and how much time you can spend. I would say the minimum age probably to actually enjoy it would be 4 to 5 years old, and then all the way through adults. I mean, this was great for everyone. They have a lot of different areas, a lot of STEM, science, technology, just modern wonders, fun for all ages. We really enjoyed it, especially it was a really hot day for us, so it got us out of the heat and inside. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.